Which city hosted the first Tripura Global Pineapple Festival 2026? Right answer is New Delhi. Tripura's famous Queen Pineapple has received which GI tag status? Right answer is Queen Pineapple. Which organization approved major amendments to the Olympic Charter in June 2026? Right answer is IOC. According to the revised Olympic Charter, from which Olympic Games will individual disciplines will be evaluated separately? Right answer is 2032 Brisbane. Which New Zealand cricketer became joint number 1 in the ICC men's test bowling rankings with Jasprit Bumrah in June 2026? Right answer is Matt Henry. Jasprit Bumrah shares the number 1 ICC test bowling ranking with whom? Right answer is Matt Henry. Which country will host the FIFA Women's World Cup 2027? Right answer is Brazil. The 2026 Wimbledon Championships begin in which city? Right answer is London. Which defending men's single champion started his Wimbledon title defense in June 2026? Right answer is Jannik Sinner. The inaugural Indian Athletic Awards were announced by which organization? Right answer is Athletics Federation of India. According to the SIPRI Yearbook 2026, India ranks as the world's blank largest military spender. Right answer is 5th. According to the SIPRI Yearbook 2026, India is estimated to possess approximately how many nuclear warheads? Right answer is 190. Which country topped the medal tally at the inaugural World Yogasana Championship 2026? Right answer is India. The inaugural World Yogasana Championship 2026 was held in which city? Right answer is Ahmedabad. The revived Kirthi hydroelectric project is located on which river? Right answer is Chenab. Kirthi's second hydroelectric project is situated in which district of Jammu and Kashmir? Right answer is Kishtwar. Which state or UT became the 36th to implement the Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana? Right answer is West Bengal. According to the India Meteorological Department, which climate phenomena is expected during the June to September 2026 monsoon season? Right answer is moderate to strong El Nino. According to IMD, the Indian Ocean Dipole is expected to remain in which phase during the 2026 monsoon? Right answer is neutral. According to IMD data released at the end of June 2026, India recorded which of the following? Right answer is 5th driest June since 1901. Which union minister attended the Northeast India Infrastructure Summit 2026 in Shillong? Right answer is Nitin Gadkari. NEII NFRA 2026 was organized in which city? Right answer is Shillong. Which Indian minister visited the United Kingdom ahead of the implementation of the India-UK trade agreement? Right answer is Piyush Goyal. The India-UK trade agreement is scheduled to come into effect from? Right answer is 15 July 2026. Which country sent trade representative Jamieson Greer to India for trade talks in June 2026? The right answer is United States. Jamieson Greer's June 2026 visit to India primarily focused on? The right answer is interim trade agreement. The second civil investiture ceremony 2026 was held at? The right answer is Rashtrapati Bhavan. Which actor received the Padma Shri during the second civil investiture ceremony 2026? Right answer is R. Madhavan. Which playback singer was conferred the Padma Bhushan in June 2026? Right answer is Alka Yagnik. Which veteran actor received the Padma Bhushan at the second civil investiture ceremony 2026? The right answer is Mammootty. India and the United Kingdom jointly launched the Global Supply Chain Observatory for which sector? Right answer is critical minerals. The India UK Critical Minerals Global Supply Chain Observatory was launched in which city? Right answer is New Delhi. Which Indian company launched India's first naturally degradable milk pouch in June 2026? Right answer is Mother Dairy. Which Indian grandmaster entered the FIDE top 10 ranking in June 2026? Right answer is Arjun Erigaisi. The newly discovered lizard species Mesalina bishnoi was named after which community? The right answer is Bishnoi. According to the reports released at the end of June 2026, India recorded which of the following monsoon milestones? Right answer is 5th driest June since 1901. Approximately what percentage below the long-term average was India's June 2026 monsoon rainfall? Right answer is 39.8%. The 2026 FIFA World Cup is being jointly hosted by which three countries? Right answer is USA, Canada, and Mexico. Which Indian media company secured the broadcasting rights for the 2026 FIFA World Cup in India? Right answer is Zee Entertainment. Cricket will return to the Olympic Games in which edition of the Olympics? Right answer is Los Angeles 2028. Which state launched the Mukhyamantri Kanya Sumangala 2.0 initiative in June 2026? Right answer is Uttar Pradesh. According to the Global Peace Index 2026, India's rank is right answer is 127th. Prime Minister Narendra Modi paid an official visit to which two European countries in June 2026? Right answer is France and Slovakia. PM Narendra Modi's Europe visit took place from? Right answer is 13 to 18 June 2026. Which country hosted the 16 BRICS Agriculture Ministers meeting in June 2026? Right answer is India. The 13th BRICS Urbanization Forum was hosted by? The right answer is India. The multi-layered ballistic missile defense system was in the news in connection with which country? Right answer is India. Which report stated that India's military expenditure in 2025 reached approximately $92.1 billion? The right answer is SIPRI Yearbook 2026. According to the SIPRI Yearbook 2026, India became the world's blank largest arms importer during 2021 to 2025. Right answer is second. Which state is home to the Kirti second hydroelectric project that remained in the news during June 2026? Right answer is Jammu and Kashmir. India became the world's leading ship recycling nation in which year? Right answer is 2025. According to the Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, India's share in global ship recycling increased to? Right answer is 35.4%. India surpassed its Maritime India Vision 2030 ship recycling target by? Right answer is 5 years. Which ministry announced that India became the world's top ship recycling nation? Right answer is Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways. India will host the 13th BRICS Urbanization Forum in which city? Right answer is New Delhi. The 13th BRICS Urbanization Forum was scheduled to be held on? Right answer is 11 to 12 June 2026. Which prestigious magazine included an Indian athlete in its 100 most influential athletes of 2026 list? The correct answer is Time. The draft telecommunication rules 2026 were released by which ministry? Right answer is Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Which agreement aimed at ending a 107-day conflict? Right answer is US-Iran Peace Agreement. The conference titled Central Asia, the core of the SCO, was related to which international organization? The right answer is Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Suratal declared India's 100 Ramsar site in June 2026 is located in which state? Right answer is Uttar Pradesh. Suratal is also officially known as? Right answer is Jayaprakash Narayan Bird Sanctuary. With the addition of Suratal, India now has how many Ramsar sites? The right answer is 100. India assumed the vice presidency of which international organization for the first time in June 2026? Right answer is FATF. Who was appointed as India's vice president representative in the FATF? Right answer is Vivek Agrawal. FATF primarily works to combat? The right answer is money laundering and terrorist financing. India and Japan adopted the rules of implementation for the joint crediting mechanism under which international agreement? Right answer is Paris Agreement. The joint crediting mechanism aims to promote cooperation mainly in? Right answer is climate action and carbon markets. The joint crediting mechanism operates under which article of the Paris Agreement? Right answer is Article 6.2. Which Indian city was selected to host the World Audiovisual and Entertainment Summit WAVES 2026? Right answer is Mumbai. Which Indian chess player became the first Indian to win the Norway chess title in June 2026? Right answer is R. Pragananda. In the Norway Chess 2026 tournament, R. Pragananda defeated which world number 1 player twice? Right answer is Magnus Carlsen. Andhra Pradesh community-led natural farming program won which prestigious international award in June 2026? Right answer is Food Planet Prize 2026. Admiral Krishna Swaminathan assumed charge as the right answer is Chief of the Naval Staff. India was ranked blank globally in Patent Cooperation Treaty applications for 2025. Right answer is 12th. Which public sector company became the 28th Navratna CPSE in June 2026? Right answer is Chennai Petroleum Corporation Limited. The 52 G7 summit was held in which country? Right answer is France. Which organization was recognized by the Reserve Bank of India as a self-regulatory organization in June 2026? Right answer is Sahmati. India ranked blank in the Global Peace Index 2026. Right answer is 127th. The Government of India unveiled the Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission framework popularly known as the right answer is VBG-RAM-G. Which Indian ministry is responsible for implementing the PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana? Right answer is Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. The FATF plenary meeting held in June 2026 took place in which city? Right answer is Paris. Which organization released the Global Economic Prospectus Report 2026 in June 2026? Right answer is World Bank. Which Indian state launched the Mission Nasha Mukt Bharat campaign in June 2026? Right answer is Punjab. Which organization released the Global Peace Index 2026? Right answer is Institute for Economics and Peace. World Environment Day is observed every year on. Right answer is 5 June. World Refugee Day is observed every year on. Right answer is 20 June. International Day of Yoga is celebrated every year on. Right answer is 21 June. Which edition of the International Day of Yoga was celebrated in 2026? Right answer is 12th. The theme of the International Day of Yoga 2026 was Yoga for Healthy Aging. Which state launched the Mukhyamantri Pratigya Skill Development Initiative in June 2026? Right answer is Bihar. Which country hosted the 2026 G7 Leaders Summit? Right answer is France. Which country hosted the 2026 BRICS Summit preparations and ministerial meetings during June 2026? Right answer is India. Every year, World Blood Donor Day is observed on. Right answer is 14 June. World Oceans Day is observed every year on. Right answer is 8 June. International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking is observed every year on. Right answer is 26 June. National Statistics Day in India is celebrated on which date every year? Right answer is 29 June. National Statistics Day is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of. Right answer is PC Mahalanobis. Which ministry is the nodal ministry for celebrating International Day of Yoga in India? Right answer is Ministry of Ayush. Which organization celebrates International Yoga Day globally along with India? Right answer is United Nations. Subscribe to this channel relevant content for more such videos. Thanks for watching.